Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest host today happens to be myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and the theme is Queen of Hearts, Alice in Wonderland. So here is my tablescape. I've got the black and white buffalo check with little Alice right here. And my centerpiece is a rose heart. Isn't that pretty? And I just put it in a little white vessel with a little bow around it and some greenery. And I want to thank Anna for giving me the opportunity to be the guest host today. Now this is an open collaboration. Anyone can join. Just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25. Now, as far as my table setting, I started with this buffalo check salad plate that I ordered from Amazon, a glass dinner plate, and a really pretty gold rose charger. I have a small collection of Alice in Wonderland decor, and I have participated in other Alice in Wonderland collabs in the past. And my napkin here with a beaded napkin ring with a little tassel on it. And this pretty wine glass, all on a buffalo check runner. And here is a loving cup goblet. And here is my tea tin with the Queen of Hearts on top. And I also have this little teacup with the buffalo check. Matches the plates. And here's a candle, a pink candle, and a crystal candle holder. Also with a little bit of greenery around it. And here is my little apple-shaped teapot. I thrifted that. I think that is so cute. And I even have a little Alice in Wonderland pillow. The pillow cover I ordered from Amazon. And you may have noticed I put my buffalo check curtains up. I took the other curtains that I had, which was just a beige color, I took those down and replaced it with the buffalo check. There's the Mad Hatter. He doesn't want to stand up. So I thought this made for a very whimsical and fun tablescape. I chose the theme Queen of Hearts and or the Alice in Wonderland. If you don't have a collection of that, you could have just used red hearts. Now here's my cutting board. I have the buffalo check plates, my cutting boards, a little bit of Valentine decorations, and even inside my cabinet here, I have framed pictures of Alice in Wonderland. There's another one. Those I just cut out of a scrapbook, and there is my Alice in Wonderland cookbook. And here is another little wine glass or water glass. And then I even have this little Cheshire cat. And this tiny little teacup that did belong to my mother. Pretty little saucer, and I have candy inside it. And I have this little espresso cup as well. That was purchased when we made a trip to Germany. So I think that turned out really nice. Very fun and whimsical. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist. There's going to be a lot of great ideas, and I'm very curious to see what people have come up with for the Queen of Hearts, Alice in Wonderland theme. Now I'm going to be showing you my side table here in a moment, so don't go away. Okay, over here is my side table, and I have some Valentine napkins and plates, and I have a tulip wreath and this poster of Alice and the Queen of Hearts. But the showstopper is my white rabbit. I think he is so handsome and very charming looking. Okay, that'll do it. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it so much.